Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to solve examples from the exercise 2.3 and this is question number 1. This is a chapter number 2, that is fraction and decimal under CBSE Standard 7 syllabus. So here first question is find. So we have to find out products of 1 by 4 of 1 by 4, 1 by 4 of 3 by 5 and 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. So now let us write first that how we are going to write this. So first one is 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. So this is our option A. Then B is 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. Then C is 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. So that is how we are going to write this. Now what is the meaning of of? The meaning of is multiplication. Product means answer of the multiplication. So of is multiplication here. So 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. Of is multiplication. 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. Now earlier we have solved some of the numericals. In that we have seen that multiplication, in the multiplication, numerator will going to multiply with numerator and denominator is going to multiply with denominator. So here the answer is 1 by 1 into 1 1 and 4 into 4 is 16. So 1 by 16 is our answer. Now the next numerical 1 by 4 into 3 by 5. So let us club numerator and denominator. So 1 into 3 divided by 4 into 5. So answer is going to be 1 into 3, 3 and then 4 into 5, 20. At this step, if you can see that something you can reduce it or something you can cut it, then you have to do that and then you have to write the answer. Or once you will write the answer, then you will find that something we can reduce it to the lowest term, then you have to do that. Here 3 and 20, we cannot cut anything, we cannot divide anything. So this is going to be our answer. Now here 1 by 4 into 4 into 3. This is our step. Now here at this step we can see that 4 is in the denominator and 4 is there in the numerator as well. So we can cut this 4 ones are 4. So 1 is going to remain here. So here 1 will be there and here 1 into 3, 3. So this is going to be our answer. So that is how we will solve it when there is of in between two fractions. Second numerical of first question. 1 by 7 of 2 by 9, 1 by 7 of 6 by 5 and 1 by 7 of 3 by 10. So let us write how we have written it earlier. 1 by 7 of 2 by 9. Then B 1 by 7 of 6 by 5. Then C is 1 by 7 of 3 by 10. Now let us replace this of with multiplication. The meaning of is multiplication. So here let us write this 1 by 7 into 2 by 9. Now let us check that can we reduce it to lowest term? No. So this is going to be our multiplication. Numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 2 into 1, here we will get 2 and 7 into 9. 7 9s are 63. So this is going to be our answer. Now the next is 1 by 7 of 6 by 5. So 1 by 7 into 6 by 5. Let us club numerator together and denominator together. So we will get here 1 into 6 divided by 7 into 5. So here we are going to get 6 and divided by 35. 7 5s are 35. Now the next 1 divided by 7 into 3 divided by 10. So we will get 1 into 3 divided by 7 into 10. So the answer is 3 by 70. So 3 by 70 is going to be our answer. So that is how we will solve the multiplication. And this is the question number 2. Multiply and reduce it to lowest form. So we have to multiply and then we have to check whether we can reduce it to lowest form or not. So let us solve the first numerical, that 2 by 3 into 2 and 2 by 3. So here let us solve this first. So first I am going to write 2 by 3. Then this we have to convert it. This is a mixed fraction and this we have to convert it to improper fraction. So 2 into 3. When it is 2 by 3 is there, then this we are multiplying. This 2 we are multiplying, and in this multiplication we are adding this. So here 2 into 3. So it is 6. 6 plus 2. So it is 8. And denominator will remain denominator. That is how we are converting this into improper fraction. Now here, this is our multiplication. So let us club the numerators and denominator. So here 2 into 8 divided by 3 into 3. Before doing next step, we have to see that whether we can reduce it, whether we can divide anything here, then we have to do that. So no, we cannot divide anything here. So let us multiply this. So here we will get 16 divided by 9. So this is the step where you can check whether you can divide anything or not. Now the next is 7 by 2 into 7 by 9. So let us write this, 2 into 7 divided by 7 into 9. Now let us check whether we can reduce this or not. So here we can reduce this because 7 and 7 is there. So here 7 ones are 7. So here we are going to write 2 divided by 1 into 9. So our answer is 2 by 9. So that is how we will multiply. Third numerical. Here let us write the next step into which we are clubbing this 3 into 6 and 8 into 4. Can we reduce this? Yes, we can reduce this. That here 6 is there and in the denominator 8 and 4 is there. So with 2 we can divide. Either you can divide 8 or you can divide 4. So let us do that. So 3 2s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. So 3 by 2 is going to be the answer. Now how I have done that, let us do that. This step is not necessary. This is just for your explanation. Now here instead of 6 I am writing 3 into 2. So 3 into 2. And here I am writing 8 and instead of 4 I am writing 2 into 2. So that is how 2 and 2 will get cut. And here we will get 1. And the rest of the things are 3 by 2 and 3 by 8. That is what we got here. So 2 and 2 is cut it off here. So the next step, 3 into 3 divided by 8 into 2. So our answer is 9 divided by 16. So that is how we have reduced it to lowest form. Or we can just simply write the answer, that 18 divided by 32, and after that we will divide that. When the numbers are small, at that time it is easy to divide. So it is advisable that you will divide all the numbers and reduce it to lowest form over here. But you have to be careful that you should not leave any number behind. Next numerical, 9 by 5 into 3 by 5. So let us write like this, 9 into 3 divided by 5 into 5. Let us check, can we reduce it? No, we cannot reduce anything here. So it is going to be 27 divided by 25. 9 3s are 27 and 5 into 5 is 25. Now the next is 1 into 15 divided by 3 into 8. So can we divide anything from numerator and denominator? Yes, we can divide that. Here 15 is there, we can divide it with 3. So 3 5s are 15. So here we will get 1 into 5 divided by 8. So the answer is going to be 5 into 8. The next numerical is, let us club numerator and denominator. 2 into 10. Can we reduce anything above and below? No, we cannot reduce anything, we cannot divide anything. So it is going to be 33 divided by 20. So that is going to be our answer. The next numerical is 4 by 5 into 12 by 7. So let us write all the numerator together and denominator together. Now let us check, can we reduce anything here? No, we cannot reduce anything. So 12 into 4. 12 into 4, here 8 and 4. So 12 into 4 is 48. So here we are going to write 48 and in the denominator 5 7s are 35. So that is going to be our answer. That 48 divided by 35. Question number 3. So in this question, multiply the following fractions. So let us multiply them. So here first is 2 by 5 into 5 1 by 4. So let us write 2 by 5 into. Now this is mixed fraction. We have to convert it into improper fraction. So first 5 into 4, 20. Then we have to add this one. This 2 will be multiplied and then we have to add this number into that multiplication. So it is 5 into 4, 20 plus 1. So it is 21. It is going to be 21 divided by 4. Now let us multiply this, and before that we will see that whether we can reduce it, whether we can divide anything. So yes, we can divide. That 2 and 4 is there. So here we can divide. 2 into 2 is 4. So here 2 is remaining in the denominator. So it is going to be 21 divided by 5 into 2. So answer is 21 divided by 10. Now the next numerical. First is mixed fraction. So we have to convert it into improper fraction. 6 into 5, 30 plus 2. So it is 32 divided by 5 multiply with 7 into 9. So now we will check whether we can divide anything above and below. No, we cannot divide anything here. So here it is 32 into 7 and in the below 5 into 9. So 32 into 7. So 32 into 7 we will get 4 and 1. 7 2s are 14. So 4 and 1. And 3 7s are 21 plus 1. So it is 22. So it is going to be 224 divided by 5 9s are 45. So this is our answer, that 224 divided by 45. Third numerical, 3 by 2 into 5 1 by 3. So let us write this 3 by 2 into. Now this is mixed fraction. We have to convert it into improper fraction. So 5 into 3, 15 plus 1 is 16. So here it is 16 divided by 3. So let us write this 3 into 16 divided by 2 into 3. Now first we will see whether we can reduce anything here. Yes, we can reduce that. 3 1s are 3 and 16. So 2 8s are 16. So here we will get 8 divided by 1. So it is whole number 8. Now the next one. 5 into 6 in multiplication with. This is mixed fraction, so we have to convert it into improper fraction. 7 into 2, 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. 17 divided by 7. So anything, can we reduce it here? No, we cannot reduce anything here. So it is 5 into 17 divided by 6 into 7. So our 17 into 5 is 17 into 5. So 7 5s are 35. So 5 and 3. So 5 into 1, 5 plus 3. So it is going to be 8. So it is 85 divided by 7 6 are 42. So this is our answer. The fifth numerical is 3 2 by 5. So let us convert this. So 3 into 5 is 15 plus 2 is going to be 17. 17 into 5 in multiplication with 4 divided by 7. So we cannot reduce anything here. So it is 17 into 4 divided by 5 into 7. So our 17 into 4 is 17 into 4, 8, and 2 will be carrying over. So here 2. So 4 into 1 is 4 plus 2. So it is 6. So it is 68 divided by 35. So this is our answer. That's 68 divided by 5 into 7. 5 7s are 35. So 68 divided by 35. The sixth numerical is 11 by 2 into 3 by 10. So let us write this 11 into 3 divided by 2 into 10. Can we reduce anything here? No, we cannot divide any number above and below. So let us write the answer, that 33 divided by 20. The next numerical is 4 by 5 into 12 by 7. So 4 into 12 divided by 5 into 7. Can we reduce anything from denominator and numerator? No. You always have to check whether you can reduce anything or not. So here 4 into 12 is going to be 48 divided by 5 into 7 is 35. So this is our answer. So hope this video has solved your doubt. Don't forget to practice. Once you are watching this video, you have to do it by your own. Then only it will be helpful for you. I'll see you in next video with one more important concept and so many more important numericals. So don't forget to subscribe, learn yourself. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning and keep practicing. So the question number 4 says, which is greater? And they have given us two different terms, that 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. So here two different terms are there. Those terms we have to solve it first and then we will compare. So let us start solving them first. So this is 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. So here of means we have to change it with multiplication sign. So 2 by 7 into 3 by 4. Both fraction are in multiplication. So now followed by simple multiplication, that 2 into 3 divided by 7 into 4. Now at the same time we have to check that whether can we reduce these terms or not. So yes, we can reduce this. 2 2s are 4. So the answer we are getting here is 3 divided by 14. So this we are getting from this term. Now let us take the second term, that 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. Same way we will solve this, that first we will write the multiplication sign at the place of. Now simple multiplication, that 3 into 5 divided by 5 into 8. Let us see that if we can reduce here anything. So 5 1s are 5. So here remaining term is 3 divided by 8. Now we have to compare 3 divided by 14 and 3 divided by 8. But we can only compare when their denominators are equal. So to make denominators equal, we have to do LCM. We have to take LCM. So here 14 is the first number and second number is 8. Let us take LCM for these two numbers. So here we will get 2. So 7 2s are 14 and here we will get 4. So again we will take 7 because it is a prime number. So 1 and then remaining is 4. So here I can take 4 also, or we will just write here 2. So 2, 1, 2, again 2 we will take and we will get 1, 1. So our LCM will be 2 into 7 into 2 into 2. So the answer is 2 7s are 14, 14 2s are 28, 28 2s are 56. So 56 is our LCM. Now we have to convert this both the denominator to 56. So let us check that what multiple we will multiply above and below so that we can make this multiple 56. So 14 fours are, we will get 56, and here 8 into 7, we will get 56. So let us convert both this term. So first term is 3 into 4 divided by 14 into 4. So we will get here 12 divided by 56. Now what about the second term? That 3 into 7 divided by 8 into 7. So we will get here 21 divided by 56. So these two are our final answers. That 12 divided by 56 and 21 divided by 56. So now let us compare them. So after comparing them, we will get that 21 divided by 56 is greater than 12 divided by 56. Now 21 is the second term, this term. So second term is greater than the first term. So the second term is 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is greater than 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. That is how we will answer this question. That first we will solve them, then we will take the LCM, then we will convert them into the same denominators, take their LCM, and then we will compare them. And in turn our answer is this term is greater than this term. So the question is, Sally plants 4 saplings in her garden. The distance between saplings is 3 by 4 meter. Find the distance between first and last sapling. So here she planted 4 saplings. So in a row she planted 4 saplings like this. 1, 2, 3 and 4. First, second, third and fourth. And in between 2 saplings she left a place of 3 by 4 meter. 3 by 4 meter, 3 by 4 meter and the last 3 by 4 meter. Yes, saplings are 4, but she left places 3 times because after 4th sapling there is no more sapling. So from first sapling to 4th sapling there are only 3 times 3 by 4 meter space she has left. So now we have to count that 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. In turn we can take 3 into 3 by 4 meter. So that will give us the correct distance, that how much she has left a space in between this sapling. That this sapling, this and the last space. So here we will write like this, that she planted 4 saplings and left 3 by 4 meter space 3 times. So the distance between first and last sapling equals to 3 into 3 by 4 meter. Right? 3 times 3 by 4 meter space she left. So now we will multiply this 3 in denominator 1 because this is a whole number in multiplication with 3 by 4. So the multiplication is 3 into 3 divided by 1 into 4. So the answer is 9 divided by 4. So 9 divided by 4 meter space she left in between. But this is improper fraction. We have to convert this into mixed fraction. So 4 here and 9 here. So 9 divided by 4. So 4 2s are 8. 1 is as remainder. And the answer we will get here is 4 will remain in denominator. This 2 will come at the front and 1 at the top. So 2 1 by 4 meter space she left from first sapling to last sapling. So the question is, Lipika reads book for 1 3/4 hours every day. She reads entire book in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? That means for 6 days she is reading every day 1 3/4 hours and she finishes the book. So how many hours in total she required to complete the book? So she reads 1 3/4 hours for 6 days. Now we have to check that how many hours in total she read when she reads this much hours for 6 days. So let us first convert this into improper fraction and then we will multiply with 6 because 1 3/4 plus 1 3/4 we have to add it 6 times, or we can just multiply with 6. So 6 into 1 3/4. Now let us convert this into improper fraction. So 1 4s are 1 and plus 3. So we will get here 7 divided by 4. This is whole number. So we will write 1 here and then followed by multiplication. That's 6 into 7, 1 into 4. So here we will get this, we can reduce it further, that 3 2s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. So here we will get 7 into 3. So it is 21 divided by 2. So 21 divided by 2, again we have to convert it into mixed fraction. So 21 divided by 2. So 2 1s are 2, we will get then 0 and 1, that we have to taken from here. Now 1 we cannot divide, so here we will put 0. So the answer is 10 1/2. 10 1/2 is our answer. So this many hours she will read to complete the books. So question is, a car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2 3/4 liter of petrol? So they have given us that car covers 16 km in 1 liter of petrol. Now we have this much liter of petrol, that 2 3/4 liter of petrol we have. Then how many kilometers car will cover? So this is kind of unitary method. So how many kilometer car will cover in 2 3/4 liter of petrol? Here we can add that how many kilometer car will cover in 2 3/4 liter of petrol. So let us write this in multiplication, that 2 3/4 into 16. Now first we have to convert this into improper fraction. So it is 2 4s are 8 into 3, we will get here 11 divided by 4 into 16. Now this is in multiplication, so let us write this in multiplication, that 11 into 16 divided by 4. Here nothing is there, so we can write here 1 and here we can write in multiplication with 1. And here now we can reduce this to its lowest term, that 4 4s are 16. So the answer here is 44. 11 into 4 is 44. So car will run for 44 km in 2 3/4 liter of petrol. So question A, into that sub question 1 is, provide the number in the box such that 2/3 into box equals to 10/30. So we have to write one such fraction into this box so that we will get answer 10/30. When we will multiply that fraction with 2/3, we will get 10 divided by 30. So which number we will multiply here? So to do that we have 2/3, and which number we will multiply in the numerator and denominator so that we will get 10 divided by 30. So here 2 is there, and if we want 10 here, then which number we will multiply here? 5. Once we will multiply 5, we will get here 10. And here there is a 3 and we require 30. So which number need to be multiplied here? 10. When we will multiply here 10, we will get 30. So this is the fraction which we will multiply with 2 by 3. So here in the box 5 by 10 will come. Number in the box this, such that when we are multiply 2 by 3 into 5 by 10, we will get 10 divided by 30. That is how we will find out the fraction. Then next question. The simplest form of the number obtained in this box is. Now, which fraction we got here is 5 by 10. And they are asking that what is the simplest form of the number. Of this number, what is the simplest form? So let us write this like this and we will find out that what is the simplest form. So 5 and 5 we can cut it out and we will get here 1 by 2. So this is the simplest form of number. So here 1 by 2. Here we will write 5 by 10. So the simplest form of the number obtained in this square is 5 by 10 and is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is the simplest form of 5 by 10. Question number B is, provide the number in the box, this rectangle, such that 3 by 5 multiply with that number, so we will get 24 divided by 75. So here our number is 3 by 5 and we have to multiply one fraction such that we will get answer 24 divided by 75. Now here this number is small. So 8 into 3 we will get 24. So here we will write 8. So when we will multiply 8 with 3 we will get 24. This is also easy, but if you are facing a trouble to calculate this number, that what should come here, then we can simply divide this. How we can divide this? So 75 divided by 5. So whatever number will come here, that we can multiply here. So here we will get first 1. So here we will get 5. So 2. Then again this 5 we will take it down. So we will get 25. So 5. So again 25 and we will get here 0, 0. So 15 is the number. So when we will multiply 15 with 5, we will get 75. Simply 75 divided by 5, so we will get this number. To check what number will come here, we can divide this number with this number and we will get the answer. So here 8 by 15 is the fraction. When we will multiply that with 3 by 5, we will get 24 divided by 75. So here the answer is 8 divided by 15. So that is our answer for the first question. Now second question is, the simplest form of the number obtained in the rectangle is this. So we have the number 8 divided by 15. Now let us simplify this. We will get 2 into 4 and here we will get 3 into 5. Now we cannot reduce this further because we cannot cut anything into the numerator and denominator. So we cannot reduce this further. So this will be the simplest form of the number. So this is 8 divided by 15. The number and the simplest form both are same because we cannot reduce it further.